Hey guys, in this video, I'll be cooking fried rice with crispy chicken skin on the side. This is my first video in this channel, so be nice, okay? First off, throw the frozen solid chicken skin in the water and let them be for a while. For the fried rice, I use tomato ketchup, some caramel sauce, salt and sugar. I like a bit of sweet in my food. Next, prepare the veggies. You can cut them in any shape you like. It's your choice. Moving on to the chicken skin. Get rid of the water, cut them into suitable shape and pile them up. Don't worry about the fats. Their flavor. For the crispiness, I use corn flour, rice flour and wheat flour. All-purpose works too, and don't forget about salt and pepper. Cook the skins with the flour mix. And no, we don't need eggs. We got enough chickens already. Clean as you go. Fry the skins until they're crispy and golden. Look at them, so beautiful. On to the fried rice. Fry the onions and the chilies first to get the fragrance. Put in the veggies. Rice. Pour in the mixture. Have a taste. A bit more salt. Have another taste. Serve them into the bowl and done. And there you have it, fried rice with crispy chicken skin. Alright, see you guys in another video. Peace.